Using just a few components, we can create an intriguing solar tracking circuit that automatically follows the light source, keeping the solar panel always facing towards it. Next, let's see how this circuit is made. The core component of the circuit is the TDA2822 dual-channel power amplifier chip. First, connect pin 6 to pin 8 on the chip, and then connect pin 5 to pin 7. Next, prepare two 4000 ohm resistors. These resistors are used as fixed voltage dividers, with their common end connected to the 5th and 7th pins of the chip. Their other ends are connected to the 2nd and 4th pins of the chip, respectively. Then prepare two photoresistors. These two resistors serve as adjustable voltage divider resistors. The common end of the two resistors is connected to pins 6 and 8 of the chip, and the other ends are connected to pins 2 and 4, respectively. Pins 1 and 3 of the chip are the signal output ends. We connect a direct current motor to pins 1 and 3 of the chip, using the motor to achieve turning. Attach double-sided tape to the motor to secure the lithium resistor. The battery used is a polymer lithium battery with a nominal voltage of 3.7 volts. The battery's negative pole is connected to pin 4 of the chip. Prepare a switch and use hot melt glue to fix it onto the motor. This switch will serve as the power switch for the circuit. Connect it in series between the battery's positive terminal and the second pin of the chip. Prepare a suitable base to secure the motor. You can use toy car wheels. Then prepare another solar panel. The solar panel needs to be fixed between the two photoresistors. This way you can ensure the solar panel is always facing the light source. Next, find any way to secure the motor base. This simple light tracking circuit is now complete. Its principle is to use the TDA20822 and the peripheral circuit to create two voltage comparators with exactly opposite phases. When there is light, if the light source is at different distances from the two photoresistors, their resistances will differ. This causes the two voltage comparators to output opposite phases, driving the motor. The motor will stop working when the resistance values of the two light-dependent resistors are the same, causing the solar panel to face directly towards the light source. Here is its schematic diagram. Those interested can try DIY.